In this video, I'm going to be showing you GodMode, which is a new AI chat browser that allows you to quickly access a full suite of different LLM web apps all within one interface. Now, the nice thing with this is as you write one prompt here, if I say how far away is the sun, you see across all the different web apps, it is typing those characters as I type out the message here. And as soon as I hit the command, so command enter on Mac, you see that I'm starting to get the response from Perplexity. I have Pose Claude Instant 100K here. I have Next.js, LLM web interface, and I have the Llama 70B chat. Now, in terms of models that are available, you can go over to select providers. So there's ChatGPT, obviously. There's Bard, there's Bing. Now, the one thing to note is, say, for instance, you do have ChatGPT Premium or their Plus tier, and you want to use GPT-4, you can select ChatGPT, log into your account, select GPT-4, and you're off to the races. So you do have the ability to, within each web app, configure it. So for instance, if I go over and exit out of this, so if I just close that here, and if I wanted to specify instead of 70B, I want 13B on the Llama chat within Perplexity Labs. As soon as I select that, I can have my message be pre-populated with those settings that I've configured here. So it's pretty interesting because if you have a dozen different implementations, and say on some you have pro tiers and others you don't, you can sort of have the ones all sort of adjacent to one another with the niceties that you've paid for if you have. So to set this up, it's very easy. If you just head over to their GitHub repo, follow the installation instructions, and you'll be off to the races pretty quickly. So on Mac, I just downloaded the DMG file, installed that, opened it up, and logged into a handful of the LLM providers, and I was off to the races. So there's a handful of things within the repository that are helpful. So you can see at a glance the supported LLM providers like I briefly showed you there. So there's Hugging Chat, there's Poe, there's Bard, there's Bing. There's all of the big major ones that you would expect in a tool like this. But the big feature that I think is nice with this is there is that global key binding. So if I just click Command-Shift-G from any application, I can pull this window up and just get to prompting. So I had a video early on when I started the channel on using an Alfred command to be able to access ChatGPT, and this is sort of a similar feel to that, where you just have a global command when, say, you want to access an LLM, and it will just pull it up regardless of what you're doing on your desktop. So that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to show you this new tool that I came across, and if you found this video useful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and otherwise, until the next one.